Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own alarm sound on iPhone. So I first open my clock and go to alarm section. Press on, select sound. So look here. Now showing here only iPhone sound. So I'm just provide full guide, no need to use any third-party apps, so follow my all process carefully. Open my file and select music that you wanna make for alarm sound. So like select this. Okay, click on to share option. Then you get use as ringtone. Okay, now successfully create this ringtone. Okay, now add for the sound my ringtone section. So add this. Go back and open clock, alarm, select sound, then showing here to recently create this audio. I'm easily select and now create it. So that's it.